Welcome to Igboclass. Today we'll be looking at how you can register or log into Igboclass. So it's very simple. When you visit www.igboclass.com, as you can see in the URL, igboclass.com, enter, brings you to this page. So in this page, we have in the previous class talked about how you can start your 5 days free trial, which is very simple. So when starting the free trial, we have to create accounts, which you guys were able to see. So assuming you are not starting 5 days, maybe you are a paid user already, through phone call anyway, any means. Maybe you're a paid user already and just want to start your learning. All you need to do is click on this dashboard, login/sign up. So in this login sign up, it will take you to this page. All I need to do is, if I'm trying to log in, because I've created an account already, is to click login. So if that will bring me to my page. So on my home page, I have some gamified, which I've answered some questions. So I'm getting some badge in my learning so far. So if I click on continue, I'm able to see that some of the topics I have for this class, I've completed this first one, so progress is 100%, 100, down to the last one that is here to be completed. So if you scroll up, you see my overall progress is 88%. So as simple as that, that's how you can do your login. Then registration, we mentioned that if you are trying to register, if you don't have accounts before, all you need to do is, why on Igboclass, let's use mobile view. So we're using mobile view. If you are trying to register, almost the same experience. All you need to do is, on this top right, you click on these 3 lines. So I can see options. So I look down, I'm seeing sign up/register. I also have that button up here, sign up/register. So I can click on it, anyone I want. It brings me to this screen. So a quick sign up, even if you are in this screen, is to click continue with Google. If you whether you have accounts or not, you can click continue with Google. You find that it opens the account you are logged in already in Google with that browser. So if you're using Google Chrome and you are logged into Google Chrome, so it will show the available accounts you have. So when I click login with a transfer, you see that it's just one touch login. Unlike when we showed on the 5 days free trial, I found out that sometimes you can select an email, it will give you additional option and ask you to continue before it will now log you in. So once I'm logged in, all I need to do is click on the top left, the 3 lines, and I will see the menu, which I'm currently in the dashboard. I can click on my classes and I'm able to see available class like this one I have. You scroll down, you can start learning. Then if you sign up, I've demoed that before. You simply need to do, assuming you're on the landing page again, all you need to do is click on this button, login/sign up, then click create accounts. So on this create accounts, you need to fill in this form, add your name, last name, email, phone number. Then you need to provide a password that have minimum of 8 characters. 1 capital letter will be there. Then 1 special character. Special character means within the password you will have something that like full stop, question mark, @ sign, punctuation mark, any sign. Those things are what special characters. You need to include it on the password. So this ensures that your password is strong and secure. That's what we are doing. Then if someone referred you and you are trying to put referral code, you can type in the person's referral code. So but if I enter any referral code and try to sign in, it will tell me that the referral code does not exist. So I'm sure that this one does not exist. So but if it's a genuine referral code from someone, it's going to work. I've created multiple accounts. That's why I don't want to go ahead and start creating another account. So once you finish creating accounts, an OTP will be sent to your Gmail if you are using Gmail to sign up, or any email you are using. OTP will send. I recommend after 1 minute, 2 minutes, you did not see the OTP in your inbox, try and check your other folders in your Gmail account. If you are using Gmail, we have other folders like your promotions, updates, primary, then spam folder. So check all those places. You are likely to see the OTP there. You copy the OTP, enter it, and click on the next action button. It will take you what will be logged in, and you feel that's the process. So if you are still confused about this sign up process, you can watch the video where I taught how to start your 5 days free trial. In that place, I created the account afresh and I did the full demo of how everything works. So thank you so much, and do have a nice day.